First point, we're gonna start from here. Thickness material. If you are trying to weld something not that thick, if it's a little bit thin, maybe you don't want a 2.5 millimeter, maybe you want 2 millimeters of stick. You can see the difference. This one is more general than the other one. Maybe when you want to weld something of this thickness, it's a lot better. If you're trying to use this kind of rod on this material, in this case it's not that bad because it's not really thin, but if it's something below 1.5 millimeters, you're gonna have a bad time. To have the right amperage for this one, you're gonna dig a hole on your material, so you adjust the amperage to this and to your material that you're trying to weld. Second point, tack it first, always. Just if you want a little bit of space, you can put a spacer, give it a tack here, and it won't go anywhere. Because if you start to weld like this is gonna happen. It will compress this side, open the other one. Point number 3, your angle. You don't want to run your bead like this. It's still not bad if you are like 45 degrees. Below that, start to go round because you don't have a good penetration. You always want something like this, between this and this, not more. Not like this is not good as well because you are only going down. You want at least this, maximum this. These are your angle attacks. Fourth point, you're going to try to go for straight line welds. You don't want that zigzag. You don't want this, not for now. You only want this if you have, like, if you're trying to weld these two pieces and they are different thickness, maybe you want to get a little bit higher amperage, a little bit stronger, and what you can do is you stay a little bit longer on this side, you give it a tack to this side, stay a bit, go again, stay a bit, go again. But on this side you need to be faster. You can't stay on the same time on both sides. You spend a little more on this one and then you go to this one just a little bit. Try to don't go too far away from tacks. You do this, go back, straight line again. Don't try to always zigzag because it's gonna be too much distance between these 2 points. You wanna do Z straight, Z straight. That's what you're gonna do, and then you'll have a nice weld on different materials. Because if you get your power too low, you won't penetrate on this one. If it gets too high, you will dig a hole in this one, so you don't want that. Last point, if you don't want it to stick, I bet you it's happened a lot of times to you. It still happens to everyone. Even if you're doing the 100% right thing, it still can happen. But you don't want to attack like this. You don't want to strike like this. What you're gonna do is like a match. When you're trying to light a match, you just strike it like this. That's how you're gonna do.